Hey guys, Steve Welch here, standing in front of a new Sequoia here, and you may have an issue where you get into the vehicle and you go to start it and you have this long beep on the inside. I'm going to show you why, and I'm going to show you how to fix it. I'm going to show you why it's doing it, like I said here. And this one I already have set up to where it's going to do it for me, right? So I open the door, there's no issues here, right? I go to get in, and now whichever key I've got, it doesn't matter. When I go to start it, listen. And you hear this tone and you're going, why is there this tone when I go to start the car? And you just sit, and then the tone stops. But it's like, wow, that's a really annoying tone that you hear, and there's got to be a reason for it. But you'll notice there's nothing that would show up here. There's nothing that shows up here. There's no indicator on why the tone is. So why is it? Well, once again, I say a lot of times when you have that issue, it's kind of your fault. And Toyota should probably tell you exactly why it's beeping, but I'm here for that. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna come to the back here and you're gonna open the back up. All right. And what you're gonna notice is that I have this one, and it's a bit egregious here, but I have this one that's up here on your power fold seats, right? So like, say that you closed a blanket in your seat or something like that, and it closed and it didn't quite come all the way down. That's what's causing that beep. So all you got to do is lower it the rest of the way, close it, and then when you go and you get back in the vehicle and the back door is down and we go and we start it, starts up, no beep. So if you hear that tone that feels like it's coming from behind you, it's just there's something that's wrong or whatever, but you can't quite figure it out, and there's no messages or anything along those lines. If that's what you've got, chances are, like I said, you either closed something in the seat, you didn't open it all the way, you didn't close it all the way, whatever it is. Now you'll also notice that if you actually go up, I'm gonna do this, and you see it'll go on its own, but I can actually hit that and stop it. You get that same beep if you've stopped it mid-run. Once you let it go back up, it will go ahead and it'll go all the way to the full up position and let you know that it's up there. The other thing that I'll tell you too is if you've got it to where you put this and it's going down and you stop it, you can hear that tone from outside of the car, right? So that's something else that you can do. So just in case you guys are wondering what that beep was, that's it. Just a kind of a fun little way to get around there, and a little bit extra here at the end. But Steve Welch here, showing you something you probably didn't know about the Toyota Sequoia here. Thanks, Will. We'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one. Bye.